Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that gets a lot of buzz in the crypto world: pre-sales. You've probably heard the term, but what exactly happens during a crypto pre-sale? Let's break it down, step by step, in a way that's easy to understand. First off, what is a pre-sale? Think of it like an early bird special for a brand new cryptocurrency project. Before the coin or token is officially launched to the public on exchanges, the project's team offers a limited amount of it to a select group of early investors. The main goal for the project is to raise capital to fund its development, marketing, and other operational costs. For investors, it's an opportunity to get in on the ground floor, often at a lower price than the eventual public listing price. So, how does it all begin? The first step is the announcement and white paper release. The project team will publish a detailed document called a white paper. This is super important. It outlines everything about the project, its vision, the problem it aims to solve, the technology behind it, the team members, and the tokenomics, which means how the tokens will be created, distributed, and managed. They'll announce the pre-sale dates, the price per token, and how to participate, usually through their official website, social media channels like Twitter or Telegram, and community forums. Once you've found a project you're interested in, the next step is to do your own research. I cannot stress this enough. This is the most critical part. Read the white paper thoroughly. Who is on the team? Do they have a proven track record? Is their plan realistic? Look for red flags like anonymous teams, vague promises, or a weak community. A strong project will have an active, engaged community and transparent developers who are willing to answer tough questions. If you've done your research and you're ready to move forward, the next step is the whitelisting process. Many popular pre-sales aren't open to just anyone. You often need to get on a whitelist, which is basically a list of approved participants. To get on this list, you might need to complete certain tasks, like following their social media accounts, joining their Telegram group, or filling out a form with your crypto wallet address. This process helps manage demand and reward early supporters. Now, for the main event, the contribution phase. When the pre-sale officially starts, whitelisted participants can send cryptocurrency to a specific smart contract address provided by the project. Usually, you'll contribute using established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or BNB. The project's website will typically have a dedicated portal to guide you through this process. It's crucial to only use the official address provided on their website to avoid scams. Always double-check the address. After you've sent your funds, you wait. The final step is token distribution. Once the pre-sale period ends and the fundraising goal is met, the project team will distribute the new tokens to the wallets of all the participants. This might happen immediately, or it might be scheduled for a later date, often just before the token is listed on a public exchange. This is the moment you officially receive the tokens you purchased, and that's the entire process in a nutshell. From announcement and research to getting whitelisted, contributing funds, and finally receiving your tokens. Pre-sales can be exciting, but they also carry significant risks. The crypto space is volatile, and not every project succeeds. That's why thorough research is your best friend. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and cleared up any confusion about crypto pre-sales. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you navigate the world of crypto. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.